traffic. Wind advisory in effect until 10 p.m. this evening. The National Weather Service in Upton has issued a wind advisory, which is in effect until 10 p.m. this evening. Locations: the entire tri-state region. Hazards: strong winds. Winds southwest 20 to 30 miles per hour with gusts to around 45 miles per hour. Timing: occasional gusts to around 45 miles per hour will be possible late this morning. As the day progresses, sustained winds and the frequency of gusts to around 45 miles per hour will increase. The winds will begin to diminish after sunset. Impacts: winds of this magnitude will be capable of producing isolated downed trees and large limbs, as well as minor property damage. A wind advisory is issued when sustained winds of 31 to 39 miles per hour, or gusts of 46 to 57 miles per hour, are expected or occurring. Winds this strong can make driving difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Use extra caution.